But can I tell you something?
What?
You gotta kind of hold it back closer and make it fall in the cold water.
That's true. That happens. Like, whoa! That was cold. You get the picture, don't you?
I get the picture.
Are you watching A-Julian?
Yep.
What on?
I can't fucking talk.
Who's Julian?
You better be sorry to
If
Grandma.
this goes on YouTube, I'm kicking your freaking ass.
She likes putting it on YouTube. I put her on YouTube today, sleeping and snoring.
You know what?
There.
You did?
Yeah.
Did you put her on YouTube?
About a whole
You
bottle.
that other thing?
Oh no, because
Oh yeah, I forgot. You
Hey,
haven't finished
you
your-
see how this
yeah,
looks
I
fun at
didn't
home?
finish it. And I couldn't hold my phone.
You need another drink?
Hmm?
You need another drink?
No, it's not done yet.
I can't talk. You gotta forgive me. I'm really working on it. English language is it's a tough one.
Oh no. It's easier.
Pendejo.
Oh, F word. Look at that drunk son of a bitch swimming in my drink.
That,
Look at that son of a bitch.
that fucking mosquito. Get the fucking mosquito out of the fucking drink.
Drunk. Drink it.
Just
Huh?
drink it. Oh, it's a nap. It's
Okay.
It won't hurt you.
Can you get him out?
No.
What you said. Just fucking drink it.
A little tiny bit of protein, I tell you.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at this guy.
Right?
You've had a lot of protein, haven't you?
Oh, yeah.
Forgive me. I'm
You just got me and spit it drink out.
I'm sorry. That
Oh,
that
no.
isn't right. You want to hit me upside the head? Go ahead.
Look, I got another one already.
Drink it.
Drink or what the hell is the problem?
Okay, we didn't want to tell you.
No, it's not. That was a bigger
It's
one.
the same one.
I felt the other one go down.
Oh, you did not. Just drink it.
Oh, come
I
on.
didn't see you drink
You know how that protein goes down. That's your wife.
Yeah, I know, but this is different kind of protein.
Oh.
I had my.
Oh, there's a moth.
Where?
What the fuck are you doing?
Okay, we gotta get this little son of a
Is
bitch.
this going on YouTube?
No,
You lying son of a bitch.
I would never do
Are
that to
you
you.
lying? You can't be a son of a bitch because you're a woman. You lying bitch.
She'll put it on there.
You lying bitch.
I would
Hey,
never
bitch,
do that.
Why you lying bitch?
I would never do that to you.
Hey, bitch. Why are you doing to your hair? What's that got to do with the fucking filming?
Got bugs in it.
Yeah, I got bugs, man.
Why do you put your hand down there? You want me or what?
Oh,
Shut up.
she's afraid of being.
She's gonna put it back.
No, I'm not.
It's like, why surprise him? I'll just do it while he's here.
Yeah. No, I kept feeling kind of left out. No wonder I don't
I'm
get
gonna go home and have nightmares tonight.
Shit, I'm
The thing about it
I don't
is,
even
so while
wanna
he's
go
sitting
home
here, you don't
tonight.
have to listen to his parents having sex.
Oh, that's true.
They wake up
Is this
really
going on YouTube?
No.
You bitch, you lying bitch. You lying bitch.
No.
You lied.
I do not.
You lied.
I do not.
You were filming this out there and it was going on YouTube. Oh, look, check this out. I just figured out how to put it on YouTube right from my. This is going on YouTube.